If Telegram is crashing, not opening, or stuck connecting on your iPhone, in this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step to get the app running again. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for a server outage. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it's okay. Solution 2. Fix the immediate crash. Follow this airplane mode trick. Open Control Center, turn on airplane mode. Now open Telegram and go to Settings. Then go to Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage. Clear entire cache. Once cleared, turn airplane mode off and try again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset network settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more iPhone and app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.